Hello, my dear viewers. I am a student. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about my village life and how I learn English at home. Let's begin. I live in a small village. My village is very quiet and clean. There are many trees, ponds, and green fields in my village. The air is fresh and the sky looks very blue. Many birds sing in the morning. I wake up with the sweet sound of birds. I feel happy to live in my village. Sometimes I see butterflies flying over the flowers. They look so beautiful. I go to school in my village. My school is near my house. I walk to school every day with my friends. We laugh, talk, and sometimes sing songs on the way. After school, I come back home. I wash my hands and eat lunch with my family. Then I take some rest for a short time. Sometimes I lie down and think about what I learned in school. My mother cooks delicious food, and I enjoy eating with my family. We all sit together and talk about our day. It feels warm and happy. In the afternoon, I do my homework. I read my English books. I write new English words in my notebook. I try to remember those words and use them in my speaking. I speak to myself in front of the mirror to build confidence. I have an English dictionary at home. When I find a new word, I check the meaning in my dictionary. It helps me a lot. Sometimes I write the meanings in my own words to understand better. I also draw small pictures beside the words to remember them easily. Sometimes I watch English cartoons on TV. I listen carefully and repeat the words. This makes my English better. I like cartoons with simple stories and funny characters. My favorite cartoon is about a dog who talks in English. I also listen to English songs on my father's phone. I sing along with the song. I learn many new words from songs. Some songs are easy and help me remember phrases. I often write the lyrics in my notebook and read them like a poem.
My father knows some English too. He helps me read my lessons. He tells me, read loudly and slowly. He listens to me and corrects me. He also tells me stories in English, which makes learning fun. Sometimes he asks me questions from the story to check my understanding. Sometimes he acts out the stories and we both laugh a lot. My mother tells me to read every day. She says practice is very important. She is very happy when I speak in English. She always encourages me with a smile and says, "You can do it." She tells our neighbors proudly, "My son is learning English." She even helps me by listening while she works in the kitchen. In the evening, I play with my friends in the field. We play hide and seek, football, and cricket. We use small English words when we play. We shout, run, catch, stop, and many more simple words. Sometimes we make funny English sentences and laugh together. These games make learning fun without feeling like study time. Every day feels like a little adventure in English. We never get bored because we mix learning with fun. Sometimes my friend Rahim comes to my house. We sit under a big tree and practice speaking English together. We help each other. We also quiz each other with English words and meanings. We even make short English stories and read them aloud. We dream of one day making our own English storybook. We plan to name our book English from the Village. Our tree feels like a classroom and the wind is our teacher. At night, I read storybooks in English. I read one page every day. My father listens to me. He smiles and says, "Good boy, John." That makes me feel proud and happy. Before sleeping, I close my eyes and repeat a few English words. Sometimes I even dream in English. It feels magical. Those dreams give me hope and push me to work harder. In my dreams, I meet people from faraway countries and talk to them. I have a dream. One day, I want to be a good English speaker. I want to talk to people in English. I want to visit big cities and other countries. I want to meet new people and learn about their cultures. I imagine myself standing on a stage, giving a speech in English. Maybe one day I will teach English to other children like me. I want to show that even a small village boy can have a big dream. I believe English is the key that will open many doors in my future. Sometimes I teach my little sister some easy English words. She laughs and says them after me. I feel very happy when she learns new words. We even play small English games with pictures and flashcards. She now understands some cartoon words and sings with me too. Her favorite word is happy because she always smiles when she says it. I feel like her little teacher and she is my first student. When she claps for herself, I feel proud like a real teacher.
My friends and I help each other to learn English. We do not laugh at mistakes. We correct each other with love. We believe that mistakes help us learn better. We always say, "It's okay to be wrong. Just try again." Together, we have created a small English club in our village. Every weekend, we meet and share what we've learned. Sometimes, we invite younger kids to join and learn with us. We all sit in a circle and take turns speaking short English lines. Sometimes, we perform small role plays to practice speaking. We vote for the English Star of the Week. It's always fun. The winner gets to teach a new word to everyone next time. Do not feel shy. Speak loudly and slowly. You will be better day by day. Confidence is the key to speaking well. Every big speaker was once a beginner like you and me. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Every word you speak brings you closer to your goal. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps to success. Believe in yourself, even when no one is watching. Small steps today will lead to big success tomorrow. Even one new word a day can make a big change in your journey. Thank you for listening to my story about my village life and my English practice at home. I hope you liked it. I shared this story from my heart. Please share this story with your friends. Tell them, let's learn English together. If my story inspires you, start your English journey today. Your journey may be different, but your goal can be the same. Let's grow together, step by step, word by word. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Don't be afraid to begin. Together, we can make learning English a beautiful adventure. See you soon in my next story. Take care, my friends. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English. Bye-bye.